What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between OPPO Reno4 Pro and the OPPO Reno5 Pro, the Snapdragon 865 variant. So the very same device is launched in different regions with different name. For example, in few regions it is called OPPO Find X3 Neo, in the Middle East it is called Reno5 Pro, and in some regions where the Dimensity variant of Reno5 Pro is launched, this one is called Reno5 Pro Plus. So you can consider any of these three, the device is same, and we are going to see that how much difference we are going to get in terms of benchmarking test score between these two generations of OPPO Reno flagship smartphones. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are 3D Mark, Antutu Benchmark and the Geekbench 5. Talking about the hardware specs, both of them got 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. Both of them are running on Android 11. The Color OS version on Reno5 Pro is 11.1 and on Reno4 Pro is 11. And when it comes to CPU, we got Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 on Reno5 Pro and Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 on Reno4 Pro. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmarking. So Reno5 Pro scored 654,553 and Reno4 Pro scored 341,175. So as you can see that Reno5 Pro scored nearly twice of Reno4 Pro here. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX. And as you can see that in all of these four tests, performance of Reno5 Pro is better compared to Reno4 Pro. Especially in GPU, Reno5 Pro is scoring nearly thrice of what Reno4 Pro achieved in Antutu benchmark. In memory and UX, Reno5 Pro is scoring nearly 25% more points, and in CPU, it's scoring nearly 80% more points compared to Reno4 Pro. So in each of these tests and also in overall, performance of Reno5 Pro is way better compared to Reno4 Pro. So let's go back from here and let's have a look on the next test. And the next one is the 3D Mark. This is a GPU benchmarking test and it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So this test is divided in three parts: Slingshot, Slingshot Extreme and the Wildlife. And as you can see that in Slingshot and Slingshot Extreme, when we perform the test, then it scored so much points that it maxed out. And on Reno4 Pro we got 4,590 in Slingshot and 3,302 in Slingshot Extreme OpenGL. So considering the point that Reno5 Pro just maxed out in terms of benchmarking test score, we can consider that in Slingshot and Slingshot Extreme, this is obviously a winner. And when it comes to Wildlife, Reno5 Pro scored 5,013 and Reno4 Pro scored 1,670. So Reno5 Pro scored nearly thrice of what OPPO Reno4 Pro scored in the Wildlife test of 3D Mark. So in all of these three tests, Slingshot, Slingshot Extreme and the Wildlife, Reno5 Pro is the winner compared to Reno4 Pro here. Let's go back from here and let's have a look on the last test, and that's Geekbench 5. So Reno5 Pro scored 918 in single core and 3139 in multi-core, while Reno4 Pro scored 606 in single core and 1795 in multi-core. So once again in these two tests, single core and multi-core, Reno5 Pro is the winner compared to Reno4 Pro. If you go back from here to the compute test, in that Reno5 Pro scored 4,458 and Reno4 Pro scored 1,250. So once again the winner is Reno5 Pro. So in all of these three benchmarking tests, the winner is Reno5 Pro. So even though there is just one generation gap between these two smartphones and Reno5 Pro was launched nearly after 6 months of Reno4 Pro, the difference is huge in terms of performance and benchmarking tests. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because a detailed comparison video of Reno5 Pro and the Reno4 Pro is going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.